Hello students, I am going to tell you about how to create a folder and how to upload all the things, all the books, all the PDF on any folder during the examination. So this will help you how to create the things. First of all, you will go to office account office.com. Then when it will open, office.com, thanks, sign in with your any of the accounts, like suppose that I have tried, you have your own account, go on that, go with that whatever the account I have given to you. Then this type of folder you will get. Okay, this type of screen you will get. Okay, so you will go to OneDrive option. Okay, you go to OneDrive option, and in OneDrive option choose the this type of screen will come. Go to new option. In mobile there is a plus option over there, folder, and my exam, whatever the name you want to give, my exam sheets create. Okay, now suppose that you have created this folder, and then this is a blank place. We'll go to again folder name, suppose that physics, chemistry or maths, whatever the folder name, like science, subject name, different create different folders for your different subjects. Math, create. Okay, like this. Suppose that two folders I have created. Now what you will do, you will go to the math subject. Suppose that your exam will be on math paper. Take the images, all images, and make the PDF of that particular particular thing. Okay, then what you will do, go to upload option and then go to the file. Okay, files. Suppose that the PDF is any of the PDF you want to upload, you can go, or images also you can select, multiple images or you also can select, but prefer PDF cause it will comes in the order. ठीक है, वो ऑर्डर में आ जाएंगे तो उससे बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो we can select suppose any file. Okay, then open it, it will upload, it is uploading. Okay, now this file will upload. Okay, now what you will do, you will go to, this is a share option and this is the manage access. Okay, suppose that if you have created a folder, a PDF, then simple right click on that. Okay, or you can give options, share option also. So manage access, suppose that this file you want to share with any teacher, like Pradeep sir. Okay, Pradeep sir. Okay, and then grant access. Okay, grant access, same as if you will go to the my exam sheets, you want to share the folder, you can share the folder, manage access, and then go to manage access, like Anil sir, suppose that, click Anil sir, and then grant access. Okay, in this way you can share your exam sheets or folders with the teacher, then he can. And one thing more, if you will sharing the image files, if you are sharing image files, then what you will do, upload all the images. Suppose that I have taken 2 images. Okay, open these 2 images I have uploaded now. Okay, now rename it, rename by, suppose that 1 file, image 1. By that teacher can understand the first, this is the first image, and then again rename it image 2, rename again. Okay, now again the same process you will follow. Right click on the manage access, or you can, if you all, if you're not able to find manage option, or if you're not getting, then you can share a copy link. Okay, and copy link option, go to the copy link option and then go to the teams. It will open. When it will open, go to the chat option, and then go to, suppose that to anyone you want to, anyone to, with whom anyone, like suppose that to the sir I want to give, then give control V, sorry it's not link opening one, copy link, this will appear, then click copy, copied, and then I will send to you to sir. Okay, this is the link. Now to type it, whatever the name जो भी type करना चाहते हो, sir this is my link for paper. Now we will share with them, with him. He can, when he will click on that, he will get. Okay, same as when you will go to the assignment, you will get the, how we will get the paper. You will go to the assignment or activity section. Okay, like this you have got the assignment mentioned class 10b. Okay, then you will go to the assignment, click over here, sorry it is a class, it is a class, not assignment. Like this, view assignment. Okay, view assignment will be there. Download this assignment, like from click here, download option. By that the same process, you can download the paper and do the paper in the time, and then afterward within the 10-15 minutes you can upload. Okay, in next video I will tell you how to do the same process by using mobile. Okay, those who are using mobile, for wait for that. Okay, thank you students. Process will very easy if you will follow strictly and in proper manner, and the speed net of the, your net speed will work properly. Thank you students.